Okay, fifth graders, chapter 5 review continued. We're starting with set D here. I'm not sure what page number that is, but again, this is all reviews, so I'm really not going to do very many of these. So looks like 1 through 8 here. In set D, it's using partial quotients, and they give you an example about that. I suppose we could do the first one here. So 30 into 570. Well, what's 10 times 30? That's 300. So we could put a 10 there and put 300 here, and then just subtract it. What are we left with here? 270. Well, then think of compatible numbers. 3 into 27. Well, if you know your times tables, that's easy. That's 9. 3 goes into 27 9 times. And so that means 30 would go into 279 times. So 270 subtracting, there isn't any remainder. So you just add the 10 and the 9, and so what do we have? 19. So 19 times 30 is 570. Set E, let's see here, set E, what are they talking about there? Yeah, just more division. You guys can do these. You can do these. Set E, next page, set F, reteaching, more division. Looks like they're modeling in this. And it says you can multiply the divisor by the powers of 10 to estimate the quotient. And then it does say, it says, use place value blocks to help. You don't have to. If they help you, great. If they don't, then don't do it. So do 1 through 8. Set G. What have we got here in set G? 1 through 10. More division. Remember, you can check your answer by multiplying the quotient by the divisor and then adding any remainder. So let's do number 1. Make sure you understand what they're talking about here. So number 1, it's 16 into 224. Does 16 go into 2? No. Does it go into 22? Yes, it goes in one time. Okay, so we're going to subtract 16 from 22. That's going to be 6 left over. Now what do? Bring down the 4. Okay, 64. How many times does 16 fit into 64? I have no idea. I don't know. Let's try 4 times. So 4 times 6 is 24. Put down the 4, carry the 2. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 2 more. Look at that, 64. I happen to guess just right. 64, so there's no remainder, okay? Now, here's what they're talking about, all right? It says you can check your answer by multiplying the quotient by the divisor and then adding any remainders. And if you had a remainder, you could add it in. But look, this is what they're talking about here. What's 16 times 14? Here's 16, here's 14. Let's do that. 4 times 6 is 24. Put down the 4, carry the 2. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2 more is 6. 1 times 6, remember, put that placeholder 0 there. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 1 is 1. Now we just add it together. 4, and this is the 12. Put down the 2, carry the 1. This is the 2. So what number do we have here? We have 224. And look what we started with, 224. So when you have the correct answer, if you multiply what you're dividing by your answer, you should get let's see here, you should get what's inside the house. That's what I remember it being called when I was your age. Yeah, and I think that's all I'm going to have you guys do. And then Monday we'll do some more review, and I'll have you do page H. But for the weekend, for Friday or Saturday, just go up to set G, and we'll call it good. So, okay, that's it.